Hello faculty, my name is Eric Werner and I'm the Director of Squads Abroad, an international development nonprofit organization with 20 years of experience connecting high school health students to our international healthcare organization and medical clinics in our partner communities around the world. I would love to invite your class to participate in our many international medicine virtual experiential learning programs. Through these programs, your students will engage with an international medical relief organization right from the classroom, leveraging telemedical tools and in-country medical teams to involve students in real patient cases and healthcare work. Your students will build medical knowledge through live and recorded health clinics, creating community health action plans, and developing health education resources for our clinics. Plus, they will get invaluable cross-cultural experience working with our international communities and cultures from around the world. Please schedule a call with me and we can discuss how to customize this program to meet your needs. Thank you, and I look forward to talking soon.